In this video, I'm going to show how to get started with the Mi computer monitor light bar from Xiaomi. The first thing to do is ensure there are batteries installed in your controller puck. You can click the link at the top right of this video to see how to do that. But let's proceed with the rest of setup. Turning around the base of the light bar, you'll notice a USB Type-C connection on the back. Plug the smaller end of the provided cable into that port. Then plug the larger end into any USB Type-A 5-volt charging port. For example, that provided with a cell phone, or in this case, I'm going to plug that right into a port on my computer. Next, grabbing the light bar, we can notice there are two prongs and a plus and minus symbol. We need to make sure those align with the corresponding plus and minus on the light bar base. Place that on the base, ensuring that the contacts are firmly seated, and it will light up automatically. Then we can turn it on and off by pressing the puck down. We can swivel the top of the puck to adjust brightness, or we can press down and swivel the puck to change the color temperature. Clockwise to make it a cooler light color, or counterclockwise to make it a warmer, more yellowish light. And that's all there is to it.